On the last day of campaigning in Maharashtra, Prime Minister came in for the last big attack from Rahul Gandhi. At a press conference, Rahul Gandhi picked up the Prime Minister, attacked him on his slogan of "Batenge to Katenge" and "Ek hai to safe hai." What he did was that just where he was sitting on the stage while he was doing the press conference, he put up a safe and he wrote this slogan on it saying "Ek hai to safe hai." He took pot shots at the Prime Minister, accusing him of using this slogan to divide the people. There were two main points that he was making over here. One, of course, is that this is an attempt by the BJP and the Prime Minister to polarize the people, to talk about the core Hindutva vote bank of the BJP, and therefore to take away or snatch away the rights of the minorities. In that sense, "Ek hai to safe hai" means this. But more than that, it is a frontal attack on the usual charges that he makes against the Prime Minister of being corporate friendly and against the real people of the country. When we kept on asking him questions on reservation and on other issues, and also the fact that the Prime Minister and the BJP have been talking about Batenge to Katenge and so on and so forth, he said that these are just attempts by the BJP and the Prime Minister to distract attention from the core issue of employment and rising prices, which clearly the BJP does not want to respond to, and instead they only come out with these slogans to distract the people. Now we'll have to wait to see what is going to be the fallout of this, whether the Election Commission would want to swoop in on this, and what is going to be the response of the BJP. But in the past, whenever the Congress and Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi Vadra have been attacking the PM on this slogan, the defense and clarification which has come in from the BJP is that the Prime Minister and the BJP means that we all need to be united. The entire country has to speak in one voice. It needs to be united despite the diversity, because that's the only way we can become stronger. That's the only way that you can ensure national security. Very quickly, one of the hallmarks of the campaign in Maharashtra has been the Congress President Mr. Kharge versus the UP CM Yogi Adityanath. Yogi Adityanath had actually come out with this slogan. Remember, the backdrop to this, of course, was a Lok Sabha performance of the BJP in Uttar Pradesh, where Faizabad, which is where Ayodhya falls, and the Ram Mandir issue failed to ensure a win for the BJP as far as the Faizabad Lok Sabha constituency is concerned. And that has given enough opportunity for the Congress and for the India bloc to consistently attack the BJP, saying that even if your politics based on religion and politicization of Ram Mandir issue has not helped you win the elections. Mr. Kharge, in fact, went to extreme of saying that someone wearing saffron robe and also having a bald head and who talks like a terrorist, that has incurred very strong reactions. And if you remember, the Election Commission has also stepped in to ask why are the star campaigners speaking like this. Apart from this, on the other side, the BJP making the larger point that this is a clear-cut case of the Congress party wanting to misinterpret the slogan. What we really mean is that we need to stand united so as to ensure that India stands tall in the world. Well, Rahul Gandhi picked on this while he was showing that slogan, "Ek hai to safe hai" of the Prime Minister, and a direct attack from the LOP on the PM ahead of the polling in Maharashtra.